Peace, y'all. It's Danielle from Let's Talk Food, and today we are talking about herbal tonics, turmeric lattes. That's today's intuitive creation. It's very warming. It's an experience to take every sip. It's perfectly sweet. It has ingredients like walnuts, dates, ashwagandha, one of my favorite herbs to work with right now. Keep watching to learn how to make it. Okay, so for our creamy turmeric latte, aka medicinal tonic, we have 3 pointer finger sized turmeric here. Turmeric is medicine. This is an anti-inflammatory. It literally rids the body of inflammation. It has anti-cancer properties. It is also brain food, so the active ingredient curcumin that is in turmeric helps your brain, literally, just like walnuts here. So we are also going to have 1/4 cup of walnuts. If you do not have walnuts, pecans can do as well. Walnuts, though, are a high source of omega-3s, aka the good fats, and they're also rich in antioxidants, just like turmeric. And what I love, I mean, these are crushed walnut pieces, but nature will literally tell you what it's good for. Nature shows you very clearly that it is the medicine, because if you were to see one piece of walnut, it literally looks like the brain. It has the neural pathways and all that great stuff, all of that. Yes. In addition to our walnuts and our turmeric, we have 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 4 pitted dates, which are high in fiber and also great nutritious food to eat when you're breaking your fast. And also for my queens, empresses, goddesses who are carrying the star seeds, carrying the children. If you're pregnant, dates are great to eat for a smooth delivery. So that's one fun fact about dates. We have 1 full tablespoon of maple syrup. So these 2 ingredients will be our natural sweeteners. In addition to our natural sweeteners and our medicinal turmeric and our medicinal walnuts and coconut milk, we will also have 3/4 teaspoons of cinnamon, a little sprinkle of nutmeg. You can see that little sprinkle there. We have 1/2 teaspoon of ashwagandha. It is an optional ingredient, but highly recommended. Ashwagandha is an ancient medicinal herb and honestly one of my favorite herbs to work with ever. I'm about to put on my herbalist hat, okay? It is considered to be an adaptogen, which essentially means it is anti-depression, anti-anxiety, anti-stress, anti-low vibrations. Every time I ingest ashwagandha, I find that I am able to sift through the thoughts in my brain more easily. The last ingredient we have is a sprinkle of black pepper to activate the properties in the curcumin and the turmeric. So we are going to blend all these beautiful ingredients here, add about 3 cups of hot water, and we'll have our turmeric latte. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes. So in our blender, we are going to add our beautiful turmeric. One huge part of food alchemy and making your food your medicine is not only having the awareness and knowing what these ingredients are good for, but also taking that awareness and then working with these ingredients with intention. So that's truly how I believe we make medicine. We do it with intention, we do it with love, all of these things. And we have our walnuts here, our dates to sweeten, maple syrup, coconut milk, our spices here, cinnamon, nutmeg, ashwagandha, a little bit of black pepper. And then our 3 cups of hot water. Ready? Smell the turmeric? Smells so good. Okay, super good. And you have your beautiful turmeric latte. Look at that beautiful golden color. This is literally solar plexus chakra medicine, sacral chakra medicine. Artists, for example, who are feeling uninspired, this kind of food is really going to help you to find that inspiration again. For those who are battling with depression, anxiety, etc., all these mental illnesses and diseases, this is going to help you to recenter yourself and get back and really, you know, snatch your power back. Taking your food and using it as your medicine is a way to literally take your power back. Yes. Medicine for the whole squad. Make this for your family. And get creative with it. You don't have to completely follow all of my measurements. You can add more walnuts if you like. Cheers. Love and light, peace and harmony with every sip. So good. Do you like the little bits in them?
I do. It's coconut.